Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will read my persuasive text. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Novel Monta Ramadan. My last 3-digit number name is 211. My title is Take a Step to Fight Climate Change. Okay, good morning everyone. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever noticed that the weather feels hotter than it used to? Have you seen news report about floods, rising sea levels, droughts, or unusual storms happening around the world? These are not random events. They are some of the visible effects of climate change, yet many people still believe that solving this problem is entirely the responsibility of governments and large corporations. Today, I would like to persuade you that although governments and corporations play an important role in environmental protection, individual actions are still necessary and meaningful in the fight against climate change. First, climate change is already affecting our lives. We can see the evidence around us. Sea levels are rising and threatening coastal area. Temperature continue to increase, making heat waves more frequent and severe. Many regions are also experiencing stronger storms, drought, and other extreme weather events. Climate change is no longer a problem for future generations. It is a problem that affects us today. Second, governments and corporations have significant influence on environmental outcomes, but progress is often slow. Many industries still rely on activities that produce large amounts of carbon emission. Deforestation, industrial pollution, and delayed environmental policies continue to contribute to climate change. Government and corporations have the resources to make a large-scale change, but economic interest and political challenge often slow down environmental action. However, this does not mean that ordinary people are powerless. This brings to my third point: individual action can make a difference. Some people argue that individual efforts are too small to solve a global problem. They say that bringing a tote bag, saving electricity, or reducing plastic waste cannot compete with the emission produced by large industry. While this argument may sound reasonable, it overlooks an important fact. Every major movement begins with individual choices. When millions of people adopt environmentally friendly habits, those actions create collective impact. Consumer behavior influence market demand, and public awareness can encourage government and companies to take stronger action. For example, we can carry reusable tote bag instead of using single-use plastic bag. We can reduce unnecessary electricity consumption, use public transportation, when possible, and make more sustainable choices in our daily life. These actions may seem small, but they help reduce our carbon footprints and inspire others to do the same. In conclusion, climate change is one of the greatest challenges facing our generation. Government and corporations have important responsibility, but we should not place our hope on them. Real change begins when individuals decide to take action. Starting today, I encourage all of you to adopt at least one environmental friendly habit. Bring a tote bag, reduce plastic waste, save energy, or choose more sustainable options in your daily life. Remember, every major change begins with small action. The future of our planet depends not only what leader decide, but also on what each of us choose to do every day. Thank you.